All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back in action, bringing you a 2020 4th of July stash update. Had quite a bit left over from last year. We're kind of limited on space on our shoot site, but let's get into it. Still got the sparklers. Kids have already cracked into that pretty good. Picked up some smoke. Kids should love these. The demo videos on these look pretty good. So got a case of the smoke. 4 crackling silver dragons. 1 extra. Those come 2 to a box. Masquerade. It's my favorite crackling fountain. If you haven't shot that off, you should get it. It's really nice. Got some crazy labbits. A couple shenanigans by brothers. 3 Jekyll and Hydes from Pro. 3 Afterglows from Big. Got a blue wrap. We got a case of Irish Legend from Brothers. Got a case of Sucker Punch from Cutting Edge. A case and a half of the M25 Airbursts. A case of American Celebration from Cutting Edge. Case of Lace Combustion from Winda. Really like that lace effect. Case of Fireball from Legend. Case of 9 Bad Reasons, also from Legend. A Suspended Animation by Brothers, 3 of those left over. Case of Outrageous from Raccoon. Really excited to shoot some of this Raccoon stuff off this year. Demo videos of it look amazing. Case of Neon Skies by Shogun. I believe that's another lace effect cake. Case of Backyard Celebration by Raccoon. Got a Current Events. 3 Spartans from Big. A case of Willow Explosion by Raccoon. It's a nice cake. Got a case of Party Hardy from Pyro King. Demos on this look awesome. Got a Kickstart from Brothers. Distractions by World Class. Got the Ringer from Pro Fireworks. Got a case of Torpedoes, the adult snaps. I wanted to get the regular snaps for the kids, but they were sold out and I didn't want it to hold the order up, so they said they had those in, so figured grab that. Got a Massive Brocade by Big. Catching Fire from Magnus. The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly from Pro. We got a case of Quest from Brothers. Nice shells. Got a case of Ghost Killers from Magnus, new for me this year. Got a case in 2 cases of Neon Skies from Raccoon. Demos on these look awesome. Another new one, Raptor Shells. 28 in the case, I think. These are probably really watered down, but we're going to give them a whirl, see what they look like. And a case of Electric Neon Muscle shells. Those are from Pyro King. Those are amazing shells. Got a case of Crushing It's. And 1 sleeve of Pro shells. Got some black cans. Let's see, 5 of the orange, 1 of the blues. Those are all orange cans. There's a ton of different stuff in here. Demon shells. I can't even remember what those are. Crush Mitts, Pro Shells, Electric Neon Muscle, Thunder Nation, Nemesis. I try to keep all the good ones, sort them all out so I can do effect-based stuff. All the rest of the stuff just goes up in the finale Sky Puke anyway. Got a bunch of fuse. Can never seem to have too much of that, so ordered a half a case of quick fuse, the 10-second a foot fuse, and this one's 23 to 24 second foot. So yeah, it's going to be another good show this year, guys. Can't wait. I'm stoked. Wishing you all an early happy 4th, and stay safe out there. Thanks.